morning once again and welcome to the channel. Alright, I'm Pastor T and today you got a twofer. Alright, not just one thing's getting done, but I'm going to try and get two things done today. First, we're going to be putting in some holes in the shelf pins with my shelf pin jig by Craig. No, not sponsored, paid with my own money. I saw it on other people's podcasts and I kind of liked it. I'm not going to be doing the door hinges just yet. I have the shelf pins. I still got to make a bunch of jigs with all of these. Alright, well, today is shelf pin jig day. Alright, and not only just shelf pins, but I'm going to be doing some beginning painting as well. Alright, remember the color. The color is, oh, that's not the color. It's one over here. I got two of them. The color for these cabinets is going to be pesto. Alright, got a gallon of it sitting right here. Pesto paste. Alright, so we're going to be doing that hopefully today, probably in the afternoon, but definitely going to get, I got to get this thing painted. Alright, and we got a hurricane coming in. Hurricane Milton is leaving Cancun and heading towards the west coast of Florida. I just want to pray for those who are out there in its path. I have some friends out there who left Miami here and went out there, and we're just praying for you, Maddie and Gary, just so that you and your families are doing safe. All right, gonna be safe. God's got you. All right. If you have to evacuate, get out. All right. All right. I love you guys. But so today, let's get one of the shelves in here and start getting the shelf pin jig going, and we'll take it from there. All right. One thing we have to do when we are making shelf pins is to find out what are you putting in this thing. All right. Once you find out what you're putting inside of your cabinet, well, you would know what you're putting in if you would have talked to your wife and found out what she wanted to put in there. But I digress. So, having 7 of these cabinets, 5 of which are going to be adjustable shelving, but I'm not going to do a full row of holes. I don't like the way that looks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 2 sets of 5, all right, to have the first shelf adjustable like that, and have the next one adjustable up here, okay? That's what I'm going to do. So the best way to do this is to lay the cabinet down on its side. However, I need to see one of the biggest pans that I've had here in the garage up until Thanksgiving. That's when this one usually comes out. So this one here, most likely, since it's like the heaviest one we have, and I have my cast iron that never leaves the oven that I cook with, this one fits nicely. You know, there's no need for this to go anywhere. It can just sit there on the bottom. So I'm going to do, now I have a good height here, and think I can get 3 shelves out of this one. Okay? Yeah, I can definitely get 3 shelves out of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a piece of wood that's going to be, so I can get the same distance on both sides. So I'm going to cut 2 pieces of wood. I should do 1. I can do 1 and just do it from the top and 1 from the bottom, so that this shelf, it can be adjustable, and 1 can be adjustable in here, like, you know, like that. So let's see what we can do. I'm going to cut this one so I can get rid of that piece and keep the top for that, and the bottom, just going to keep it right there so I can just make those adjustable right there, because it's only 2 shelves. So the top and the middle, and the bottom stays because that's the bottom of the cabinet. All right, we have our. What's going to happen is this is the side of the cabinet. It's going to be butted up against the wall of the cabinet. All right, and the bit is only going to go in a little bit more than ½ an inch into this 3/4 stock. So it shouldn't be a problem at all. It's not going to blow out the other side, and Once I put that in, this will hold it in place. Is it backwards? Well, I'll go into the next hole. Mm-hmm. Alright. Sure, it seems on the level of me. Alright. Upper, lower, drill bit. Keep it against it. And then start drilling, right? Alright, there we go. And that'll hold in the shelf. Alright. Looks good to me.